So, I'm going to tell you how to prepare for your very first cut. The overall quality of the cut is affected by many different factors. One of them is the height measured from the material, the torch's height from the material. Now we'll press the position test button, the torch will descend. It will find the material and then rise to the preset height. The height should usually be 1.2 millimeters from the material. That is the optimal height, and we set the height using the position button and the position height parameter.
When you turn it, the height will be adjusted.
And then you need to turn to the test line, set the feed rate, and be sure to press the button for test and the direction in which the seam line will be entered. Then we will try to do that, and then at the same time we will see what voltage it will show.
Live Casper's plasma voltages.
Up here you can see the test seams, and then we look at the quality of the seam that has been produced. Does it work well from the bottom or from the top? How does it look? Isn't there a lot of burning? How does the very edge itself look? And then, if the show looks good and meets quality, then save the settings. One of the settings we looked at was voltage. So the voltage was 89 volts, then we will input 89 volts. Så får det This will be what's called HCE, the torch height from the material, which many might try to maintain. So let's go ahead and try. Let's try to run the first test figures to cut out. Also, the cutting quality will depend on current, the set amperage, air quality, speed, and nozzle diameter, and the very material itself. All these different parameters then come together, and that's how the final quality is ultimately achieved. In the next video, I'm going to try and show you exactly what the quality is like. For the plasma cut, I will be comparing it directly with a laser cut, and then we'll be able to see. I'll be picking up something, I'll use some thicker material, perhaps a 5 or 4 millimeter metal piece, so that you can clearly observe the actual quality of the plasma. P